Here we have two salmon fillet that I had in the refrigerator. I already rinsed the salmon and we're gonna add some condiments. This recipe is very easy to make at home. All you have to do is just add a little bit of salt. By the way, you can marinate this salmon the way you want, but I don't recommend adding a lot of stuff. Just maybe like 2 or 3 ingredients will be okay. I have a little bit of white pepper. I'm not using black pepper because if we put black pepper, it probably will be bitter and it will burn. And then at the end, I'm gonna add a little bit of sweet basil. That's it. You can spray oil if you want on top of the salmon. There's no need to do that. You can add butter if you want it, more tasty. But we're gonna make it a little bit healthy. After that, just put it on a plate and we're gonna put it in the air fryer machine. By the way, you don't have to preheat this machine. You can do that if you want to, but with the time that we're gonna give, it's gonna be perfect. This is a good way to cook, and that way you don't have to use a lot of oil. You don't have to put it in the oven. Just put it inside the machine, and we're gonna give it like 370 Fahrenheit, and we're gonna cook it for 12 minutes. That would be perfect. By the way, if you want it a little bit like pink, very very soft in the middle, you can go for like 9 or 10 minutes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the time has passed 12 minutes and the salmon is already cooked. How will you eat the salmon with? I probably will eat it with rice and vegetables or a salad. I cook one piece for my wife, another one for me. And since I've been using the air fryer machine, I'm no longer using a lot of oil like I used to. There's no need to cook fish or salmon in a pool of oil. The bottom of the salmon is very crispy. I like the part. Now we're gonna serve it on a plate. Just put one piece. I'm gonna put some white steamed rice with vegetables. Probably I'm gonna upload a video like how to cook rice with vegetables. And then I made a salad with some like cherry tomatoes and roasted beets. It was amazing. Next time we're gonna cook a whole fish inside the air fryer. I hope you watch the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is a very quick recipe of how to cook salmon in an air fryer machine. If you don't have one, I recommend you buy one. They are very cheap. You can buy them on Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this video. You can click there and maybe you can buy it. We've been cooking hamburger, french fry, everything without oil. Thank you so much. Have a great day and I'll see you next time.